Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the VoskCoin YouTube channel. Today, we're going to be talking about Ethereum, specifically kind of why I think it's valuable. It's the second biggest cryptocurrency ever when ranked by coin market cap. And it's got a lot of unique stuff going on, from the fact that DeFi, decentralized finance, is centered around it. dApps, decentralized applications, are built upon Ethereum as a platform. This coin, Ethereum, Ether, moves their transactions, gas fees. So you burn these coins to move coins on their network. So it has that utility function right there. Ethereum's blockchain is ran by proof of work, mining. So people have been GPU mining it for years, and even ASIC mining it. Now they're looking to move to Ethereum 2.0, proof of stake. And that is basically an opportunity for you to earn passive income on your Ethereum coins by simply staking them, kind of like a bank interest account. It's a little bit more involved in that, but that's a simple way to explain it. So let's go ahead and run 10 seconds of tails, our resident Shiba Inu and Dogecoin, and then jump into today's video on just some of the reasons why I think Ethereum is pretty valuable. Or maybe we should say undervalued. Bitcoin keeps smacking all-time highs, right? And it's getting all the focus and all the interest. If you look at just this Google Trends chart, is that Bitcoin versus Ethereum, the interest, the differentiating, the disparity here in the interest, right, is huge. There's a huge gap. But there's so much opportunity, and to be honest, like just from a usability standpoint, there's so much more being done with Ethereum. And I'm not even saying that I favor Ethereum over Bitcoin or anything like that. My point is just that I think it's a little undervalued, and I'm going to kind of explain why, especially in a crypto market like this. So let's look back just 1 year, okay?
Flashback.
The average transaction fee was less than 10 cents, right? And then DeFi, decentralized finance, is craze hit with all these food coins, liquidity mining, yield farming, decentralized exchanges like Uniswap, and all kinds of crazy stuff, right? And at one point, the transaction fees per this chart, $15. It's absolutely insane and really absurd. And these transaction fees are through the roof. Even now, they're extremely high because Ethereum is being used so much. It's easy to check transaction fees by just going to this link. I'll have all the links of the stuff I talk about today in the video description below, but you can just refresh this, and it's a gas tracker. Let you know kind of what the average transaction fee is. It shows you the gas guzzlers down here. And so, for example, is that in the last 24 hours, Uniswap consumes 20%. That's pretty wild. Our videos this month are sponsored by Compass. They are aiming to be the industry's best Bitcoin mining marketplace. They have an international procurement team, so they're able to get all the ASICs, those ASIC mining rigs, new and used, and they're trying to get them to you at the best prices possible. They also offer hosting services through their network of co-location facilities, again, aiming to bring you the best hosting deals possible here in the cryptocurrency mining industry. Some of the other reasons why Ethereum is just not going away by any means is there's some pretty incredible stuff being built around it, like Gitcoin. Gitcoin is actually not a coin. It's a whole platform. They have several products on here, different things they do and so forth. But one of the main things, the most interesting things, is that they have this thing called grants, right? And we just ran our grants. You can check them out in the video description below, but this isn't a self-plug. The grant round actually is already over. So the point being here is that they're creating such an incredible platform for people to seek funding for unique projects based around Ethereum or other cryptocurrencies that are getting involved with Gitcoin. And it's like crowdsourcing, right? But they have this matching quadratic funding thing. So basically, the more people that contribute, doesn't have to be big dollar amounts, you can get huge potential matches. Like they got a 23K bonus, absolutely insane. And that's because big projects are donating to this matching fund. So I really invite you to check out Gitcoin and make a grant on there if you think you can provide something useful. And if I think it's a good idea, I'll happily contribute a couple of dollars to you and your endeavors. So another thing that makes Ethereum really valuable is just the way the coins are distributed and the network is secured, right? That's mining, proof of work. And obviously you can GPU mine, but ASIC miners, application-specific integrated circuit miners, these purpose-built machines like the InnoSilicon A10, they are more powerful and more efficient than a comparable GPU mining rig, normally at the same price or cheaper, even in a hot market like this. If you get the most powerful version, which we have not got our hands on to review yet, it's supposed to make almost 30 bucks a day. We've reviewed the 500 mega hash version a couple times here, and it's supposed to make $21 a day. And that's after you pay your electrical based off a 10 cent per kilowatt hour electric rate, like a residential electric rate if you have a good rate. So let's look at some of our mining earnings here recently. So keep in mind that when the transaction fees are through the roof, as far as gas fees are higher, more people are using Ethereum, those gas fees, those transaction fees, they go back to the miners. They go on top of the normal block rewards, the coins that are mined every day with these different blockchains. And this, so what's crazy here is you take this day, 0.034 Ethereum earned. The next day, 0.043 Ethereum earned. And the mining profitability projection right here for this miner is about $21 a day. And obviously the day is off a little bit, but nothing's changed too much in that regard. If we convert that Ethereum coin quantity to US dollars, which is how this profit projection on ASIC miner value is set up, we earned $28.50. The electric bill is just a couple bucks with this mining rig. So, you cleared basically 25% more than you're projected to earn. And this is not an uncommon thing. Okay, so just that's an insane bonus. What if you went into work today and they're like, hey man, good job, here's a 25% bonus because we were busy? You'd probably be pretty thrilled, just like everyone who's mining the stuff is, just like I am. Ethereum recently launched their 2.0 network. I talk about mining, but they actually want to move away from mining. So they're trying to go green and a bunch of other stuff. Basically, it's Ethereum 2.0. It's a 2.0 blockchain. They're building in a new blockchain that they want to move entirely to in the future. If you're like, oh, well, Vosk, when is mining going to end? Estimated like 2 years. Okay, I mean, it's a really rough number. Ethereum, they move at a very slow rate, but they do move forward and get things done. As of right now, over 1.6 million Ethereum coins have been staked onto the Ethereum 2.0 mainnet. And by the way, if you don't know this is a one-way street, okay? When you send your coins there, they haven't built a way for them to potentially come back. So I hope you're in Ethereum for the long game there. You run the math on 1.6 million coins. Okay, so imagine a comma there, and a comma there. What does that come out to? Over 1 billion US dollars, which pales in comparison to the money that the US government is trying to print right now for stimulus checks and whatever else. But anyway, cryptocurrency is an incredible hedge against just fiat currencies and just all the nonsense that's going on with our financial situation, our economies that are just continue to devalue their national currencies and whatever else that are backed by basically nothing other than probably a military, if that. I'd like to take a moment to thank today's video sponsor, Crypto Enter. They're building all kinds of stuff. Like they have a token sale going on for their Lion token. Right now it's priced at 14 to 15 Lion per one Ethereum. They're building a blockchain-based social network for investors. They're setting up a platform where opinion leaders can create contents, build an audience, and just really connect with people. And you can even earn on creating your own content. A blockchain-based marketplace, real estate, cars, goods, supply, contracts, safety, API registries. And then they also have a place where you'll be able to create your own company profile and start a crowdfunding campaign. But that's just some of the things they do, because I mean, to be honest, it seems like they're building a whole lot of stuff, right? But as a user on their site, what's the interesting part, right? Well, to the users, they offer you instant payments, make money transfers to users from any country. You can use multiple currencies like fiat currencies, as well as over 1,200 cryptocurrencies. A unified crypto wallet, you'll be able to manage all your cryptocurrencies through one account on here. You can do cash payments. They have exchange of values, exchange trading from goods and raw materials, crypto trading, currency pairs, and they will be open 24 hours a day with 365 days a year with global liquidity going into their platform. They also received an award from IBM for being the most promising solution for fintech blockchain infrastructure platform based on IBM Cloud. Smart Block Lab LLC, based out of Russia, 2020. If any of this seems interesting to you, check it out with the link in the video description below. Point being here is that we got Ethereum right now as always, ranked number 2 by coin market cap, significantly higher than all the other cryptocurrencies, but still pales in comparison to Bitcoin's market cap. Okay, and I bring this up because it is incredible that you have an opportunity to stake coins, earn interest on your coins, you know, like a savings account, but with crypto, with an actual cryptocurrency, not a stable coin that is ranked number 2 that's absolutely not going anywhere. Keep in mind though, there's diminishing returns here. The more people stake, well, the less interest they all earn. So initially everyone was supposed to be earning over 20% interest annual. And now with the current amount, it's already down to 12.4 interest, and it's on track to continue. We're easily going to see 3 million Ethereum coins staked in here. And once that happens, we're dropping under 10% as far as an interest rate goes. But that's still incredible when compared to, say, like a traditional US savings account where you're struggling to even get 1% right now. So as always, just crazy stuff going on with crypto and cryptocurrency. You can stake your Ethereum coins in the Crypto.com app. We've talked about it before. And just as a quick update, it's been a good experience. I know people have had a little bit of mixed feelings on Crypto.com lately because they keep changing their CRO staking requirements and so forth. Not here to talk about that or debate that, but the simple fact that I put my Ethereum in here and I earned 5% interest, and the interest rates, they're subject to change and vary and everything like that. But it's been a good experience. If you want to try, if you have some Ethereum, you want to do a little bit of staking, and you can get the $25 for free if you complete their sign-up bonus with their debit card and stuff like that. Again, I'm not trying to sound like I'm shilling this or pimping it or whatever, but it's an interesting way to keep your coins working with you without sending them down a one-way street. And the interest rate may be lower than this, absolutely. But depending how long you lock the coins up in there, or if you even lock them up at all, well, you can capitalize on an all-time high and maybe not miss out on stuff like that. Some of the other recent craziness that has been surrounding Ethereum, and this is just a case example today, and in a couple months it's likely going to be something different, but this is the latest DApp, yield farming, liquidity mining, DeFi thing to pop up. People come on here, they get these coins, they're airdropped, you stake them, you earn insane interest. This is a very volatile thing, right? The coin value goes up, it goes down incredibly fast. Huge opportunities to make money and huge opportunities to lose money. And also, as a brief follow-up, as far as the Badger airdrop for participating with the Gitcoin grant, that is simply coming soon. They're working on it, and there'll be a bunch of announcements everywhere once that has happened. It has not happened yet, just to be clear. Also, have you ever seen these guys on YouTube? Ivan on Tech, Boxmining. You combine them, they've got somewhere around like 400,000 subscribers combined, and they are endorsing DuckDAO. So you're definitely going to see this on YouTube sooner or later, whether you want to or not. Basically, this is looking to be the next kind of yield farming DAO. It's clearly like they're trying to kind of be like the next Badger already. You'll notice like the Badger, they have the hunt thing. They have introduced their hunts here. They've got farming taking place, the token, utility, liquidity providing, market making profits, other rewards. There's going to be airdrops. And they didn't pay me to talk about this or anything like that. This is just simply like, hey, for better and worse, this is probably going to be the next thing. I don't mean to sound negative. Maybe they're going to do incredible stuff. Maybe they won't. But if you want just the inside scoop before this actually releases and hits the market, all right, guys, I am back from the future. And basically, this video has been in the editing labs for a couple of days. Duck has since launched, and their DDIM token has been listed on Uniswap. It's currently trading at about $33 a coin. We already started posting about this in our Discord server. Link in the video description below if you want to join and always be on the cutting edge of everything. But basically, it's launched. They're going to launch farming, and they have NFT hunts and all kinds of other stuff. Not a promo, just again a quick update on this since we already touched on it in this video. And another thing, providing value, or a reason why value or Ethereum is valuable or maybe undervalued and so forth, is that the CME Group announces Ethereum futures product. Okay, CME Group will list Ethereum futures product next year, the firm said, which gatecrashed crypto derivatives world with Bitcoin futures contract at the height of the 2017 cycle. As Bitcoin topped 20,000, that would launch futures tied to Ethereum. The product is coming to market February 8th, subject to regulatory approval. One contract will be equal to 50 ETH. All this kind of stuff, this kind of buzz normally puts some serious pump behind associated markets and everything like that. So as always, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. This isn't like super technical, super just streamlined. I just want to talk about some kind of recent news, my experience, and mining profitability, staking profitability, how many coins are locked up, some of the recent hype DeFi DApp coins that have launched, futures on the way, Ethereum transaction fees, and just like the relative comparison of market cap and value of where it's at and kind of where it could be and whatever else. The point being here is that this isn't a super serious video, but and this isn't financial advice, but in my opinion, Ethereum has a long way to go as far as the price point is concerned in this kind of market, especially. Ethereum right now is like half of its all-time high, and it's incredibly more valuable compared to what it was when it hit that previous all-time high. Okay, so I'm thinking 2x the all-time high. Not an official price prediction, but just based off all of these data and these numbers, it doesn't seem out of the question at all. So, as always, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe to the VoskCoin YouTube channel, hit the thumbs up, leave a comment below, and let me know your thoughts on Ethereum. Do you like it? Do you love it? Why? Where do you think we're heading in this market? Do you think we're undervalued still? I don't know. I want to hear from you. That's why I'm asking. Again, as always, I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.